We just got asked if we were YouTubers.
Yeah, because we have a filmer.
Follow our YouTube channel. Alright, we just got the scariest outfit I've ever seen in my life.
And gummy bears!
And gummy bears. Who are we inspired by?
Drella Darko. What's up, Paige?
What's up? Ben has a vision. And it's a Christmas vision. It's very large. The pants are more than double my size. The shirt should fit me, so I'm gonna tie it with a belt.
It's been such a long time since I picked my own wardrobe for a photo shoot. I'm so excited.
Yeah. I like when he picks out outfits because then it's totally different than what I would do, and then, you know, I like to switch it up. I feel like a California girl right now. Well, because I'm wearing California. Got like starfish and I got this hat on. I'm converted. Ohio who? I literally feel like your old science teacher. She's 80 and you're about to go to your school Christmas party. Courtesy of Ben's son, Polly, and we're on our way out. Let's go. Welcome to a super unconventional photo shoot vlog. This one is special because Ben is filming his nighttime photo shoot tutorial, so I'm gonna be his model for that tutorial. He's coming in right now. He's a little stressed, but it's gonna be okay. Yeah. Are you nervous?
I'm so freaking nervous.
But he shouldn't be. He's a nighttime photo shoot pro, so you should go check out his tutorial coming out, what, May 1st?
What month is it?
April 1st, May, June, July. I don't know my months. Something first. It's coming out June 1st. We're on our way to the Old Salty Dog to eat before we shoot the tutorial. And yes, I am wearing this Christmas outfit in Old Salty Dog and I'm gonna rock it. Ben's roommate Alex is filming the tutorial, so we're gonna have a friend with us. Very exciting. Ben had like 2 photo shoots today in Tampa. And I've been in class all day. Class. What a Clevelander. You literally dressed me like an elf and then took me out in public and made me eat clam chowder soup.
I made you eat clam chowder, is that what you said?
Yeah, I don't know why I said that part. You forced me to eat clam chowder.
You go to school for photography or? No, having fun. Yeah.
When people ask you that, you should be like, yeah, I go to Harvard for photography. Right now, Ben and Alex are doing audio tests and I'm on TikTok. And actually what I should be doing is looking up some interesting poses. I like this. Very cute.
All right, this is our model for tonight.
Oh boy. He dressed me like an elf.
Elf on a shelf.
Are you guys filming for Siesta Key?
No.
Yep. Oh my god, that's an MTV show, I think.
What?
Not?
We'll have to look at it.
Look at that plant. I don't want it.
Okay.
Can we have it?
Yeah.
It needs a home.
You gonna take it?
I really want it.
All right.
If it's still here when we get back, it's mine.
Okay. You have to buy it from whoever owns this slab of concrete. Amanda and I love ice cream. We're like addicted to it, and lately I've been getting the worst flavors for her from Walmart. So today she's gonna get to get whatever flavor she wants.
I'm on pecan right now.
Yeah, I got us buttered pecan from Walmart, and she doesn't really like it.
I said it needs to be with pie.
Yeah, like it's a crime to have buttered pecan ice cream without pie.
Yeah, I don't want to eat raw nuts.
Right? Okay, let's go inside. Really cool. A little pout with this hand, pouty face.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. This is the man behind the camera right here, doing all the work. Really cool. really cool shot. And let's see if you can take 2 elbows and put on this sign on this seat here. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to frame up her face with the row of seats and handlebars here.